Now, a County Down runner is the toast of the athletics world after helping a collapsed competitor finish the Boston Marathon.
Aaron Beggs stopped to help a fellow runner who seized up within sight of the finish line.
Taking things at a slower pace today, Aaron Beggs had time to reflect on his Boston Marathon experience. The County Down athlete went viral after coming to the assistance of a fellow runner who collapsed in sight of the finish.
I just happened to spot Ajay out of the corner of my eye, and he was trying to stand up multiple times and fall over. And when he fell, my natural instinct was to just go over and help. So I went over, helped him up. His legs started giving way again, and Robson came in and gave us a hand.
He and another competitor shouldered the exhausted man the final couple of 100 metres.
I was shocked, honestly. The more I think about it now, it's there was no reason for him to do that. There was no reason for either of them to do that. So it was insane. That was the greatest feeling ever.
Aaron had been on track for a personal best. He set his private goal aside for the common good. He still completed the race in 2 hours and 44 minutes though.
It's nice to be nice, help each other out, put an arm around somebody. With the marathon, it's a journey. We're all on the same journey to get across that finish line. The one thing in this world that brings us all together is sport.
In just over a week's time, Aaron will compete in the Belfast Marathon. He's hoping for a more relaxed day and a clear run at the finish line this time. Conor McCauley, RT News, Belfast.